Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. My name is Uswatun with ID number G211066 from Department of Communication Science Reguler. This video was made to Sociology of Communication course from my lecture, Mrs. Dr. Agustina Multi Purnomo. Here I will explain an article Sociology of Mass Communication by Denis Mc.Quail. Stay tuned. Sociology and mass communication have some direction in terms of individual concept and methods. Sociology contributes to the development of theory and strives to become a scientific discipline. Mass communication is only a subfield or support in the basic concept of sociology. Mass communication comes from sociological ways of thinking such as social force, mediation, community development, culture, organization, and many more. Theory Laswell from Holtz and Wright 1979, Laswell explained that communication discuss who, what is message, what media or channels, and how it is influenced. When associated with the sociology of mass communication, Laswell theory is used to persuade, to inform, or organize this mass. One of the main effects of the sociological approach is the social psychological model, namely the influence that comes from the structure of society and social force from outside. And the purpose, the study aims to find out how influential sociology in mass communication and to examine social issues related to the study of mass communication. Okay, and the result, these results show that mass communication as an object is used as an approach in problem solving along with other disciplines. The relationship between sociology and mass communication can be seen from media theory, cultural studies approach, media power, and cultural critical developments in the media. The first is theory development. Media theory is influenced by social flows and conflicts. Literature from Rosengreen, for men in the field, discussed that the objective functionalist approach is the basis of communication studies. This approach is characterized by critical thinking, qualitative, and paying attention to knowledge and culture rather than society. In addition, it was revisited by Greenfish in 1982 with the terms Marxist and liberal pluralism. The point is that the media as a false consciousness for the benefit of society with economic power and control. Then the media is used for information and cultural service. Many opinions debate the power of mass media influence and the interpretation of media content. Rosengreen in 1980 provides four things related to mass media is idealism, materialism, autonomy, and interdependence. Okay, and the second is media as organization and institution. According to Hirsch et al., 1977, the media has the same background as other occupation, although it differs in that media products are creative, actual, original, and universal. Therefore, news and products produced with extreme time and density than other industries. Most media products are part of the broadcast business, and their content must be protected. Media as an organization is also inseparable for the term corporate or capitalist power and is often referred to as responsible capitalism. News is a quantified reality, especially in news content. For example, Barnes in 1977 research on the BBC observed job specialization in broadcasting organizations that are also national institutions. He tended to be interested in the work ethic, professionalism of broadcaster and career demands. The media serve to strengthen the social order and its professionalism to reflect current circumstance. Media as organization and institutions should pay attention to the diversity of roles with the media. Example is news agency, book publishing, and many more. Okay, and the third is media content and culture. In studying mass communication, the first thing to do is content analysis of media content and output. Content analysis is used to evaluate media performance and plan agenda setting in the influence of media effects. In the creation content, it will usually compare the reality of the media with the actual reality. This means that the media will show negative representative and distort the facts. For example, showing crime, political deviation, showing women, and many more. And this usually not realized, and we often see it on television. Such content will give the perception of weak and disadvantaged people. The media will currently display the majority opinion that is often talked about today. The characteristics of media culture are using language depending of the institution and how media culture affects one behavior. As a communicator, a person will adjust the message to social, demographic, cultural background, and the time factors. Therefore, communicators must measure the extent to which the media is organized based on norms and the extent to which the audience has the same social identity awareness as the communicator. There are several sensitive topics that can attract audience is women, children, black people, and lower class. This is a consideration for the media in creating content because the media is considered to be able to change habit and shape the mindset of the audience. Okay, and the last is media effect and influence. The effect of the media is growing centrality and apparent homogenization of media. Audience will indirectly disseminate self-satisfying impression of opinions or trends in society. In this case, the media has a great influence on society or social change and perspective, which is later used as a way of looking at the world. Mass media as a channel has great power in various access for governments, companies, and groups, and therefore the news media must be used as well as possible and must be neutral or mediate between a community. And the last is conclusion. Sociology has a strong influence on mass communication. This is shown by the broad social issue related to mass media. The issue that are most interest to many people is position of women, international media, and the social effect of media change. In this case, the social state of society will affect the content in the mass media. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.